Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and right now we are back in the city. Nasa Cebu pa rin tayo, Cebu, Philippines. But we're back in the city from Walbual, and we just arrived like in 5 minutes ago. We took a taxi from Walbual going here in the city, and we paid 2,500 pesos. Yun yung parang ano dito, normal na price. Pero pwede din namang mag-bus, ganyan-ganyan. Pero dahil madami kami mga nagamit, mga bags, so we prefer na mag-taxi na lang. So, yun. Now you get idea na 2,500 yung bayarin. And then, nandito kami sa hotel. It's called Lex Hotel. This is our first time here. Sa hotel na to, kasi normally doon kami sa Metro Park. But then, this time we've decided na dito na muna kasi naka-promo sila guys, and it's just 100. How much did you pay for this though? Per night?
240.
I'm talking
Plus some tax.
Filipino money.
That's less than 2,000.
Okay. So guys, yung binayaran namin dito is less than 2,000 pesos, and maganda yung hotel nila, and then very parang professional yung mga tao,
Including
ganyan,
breakfast.
and it's including breakfast. So kaya nandito kami kasi mura, naka-promo, may breakfast pa. And then across dito, Jollibee, may McDonald's, so sobrang easy. Actually, nasa Escarrio kami, and I used to live in this area. Not necessarily talagang here, pero isang kanto lang dyan, tapos lakad, doon ako lumaki. And it's nice to see the place again, familiar places, pero ang dami ng changes, so hindi na din ganun ka-familiar. Ang daming development, ang daming restaurants na dati parang wala lang. So now there's a lot of restaurants, there's a lot of hotels, pero nandun pa rin yung Capitol na yung church na inanuhan ko na doon kami lagi every Sunday dati. So anyway, itutour ko kayo dito. Ang ganda ng loob. Daming freebies. Start tayo doon. Hello guys, nag-order. Ay, ang hagard. Nag-order ako sa Grab food. Dineliver dito. Jollibee. Feeling ko ito na yung last Jollibee na makakain ko before ako uwi ng Denmark. So yan, ang dami naming. It cost a lot of this. I will show you. It cost 900 plus. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung receipt. Kita ba? Basta yan na. Gutom na gutom kami sobra. Hindi pa kami nag-lunch, and the time now is like 3 in the afternoon. Parang soup ata yan. Gravy, rice. Yumsy. Kain na. May paganyan pa pala. So, kain tayo guys. Paano ko ba i-angle to Wait lang. Grabe, gutom na gutom talaga ako. Wait lang. Okay. Okay na yan. So rice.
First, eat the soup.
Okay, I have to eat the soup then. Have you tasted it?
Nah, you just get it.
Hindi ka na-clay
I'm pretty sure it should have been fries.
Yeah. Fries sana yung order, pero ito man yung dumating
But maybe
First time
maybe I
ko
clicked the
kainin to.
wrong one. But I don't know.
Masarap din siya. First time kong mag-try ng soup nila. Sarap. Ano bang tawag ng soup na to? What is it called? Basta. Ewan ko. Sarap naman. Tingnan nyo. Grabe ang gutom ko kanina. Nag-travel kami, 10:30, kinuha kami ng taxi doon, na punta kami dito mga 2 na ata yun. Actually guys, sa labas lang talaga yung Jollibee, isang ganyan lang. Pero ayaw ko muna lumabas. Sakit ng ulo ko sa gutom, ganyan. Pag-grab tayo dito tayo kakain. Mamaya na tayo lalabas pag dinner time. Char, nagtanong-tanong pa ko anong klaseng soup ito. Andito pala yung pangalan, creamy macaroni soup. There. Sarap naman siya.
You want to eat?
Yeah, actually. Grabe ang spicy.
Told you.
Wala tayong plato dito, guys. So I'm gonna eat the rice like a burger. Wala tayong plato. Sarap, oh. What?
That's my piece.
Then I can exchange. I don't care about that piece. Is there like a...
Go.
Oh. Kasi ang gusto ni Martin yung mga pitso-pitso ba? Sa akin naman gusto ko yung mga bony-bony.
I don't know why I got this bone piece out.
Sarap, grabe. Pag nasa abroad ka, ito talaga yung mga namin... Oh my God. Grabe spicy. Grabe no ang spicy niya compare sa McDonald's. Wait lang, adjust ko kayo.